हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्पाइस धमाल। आई एम योर होस्ट नितिन और स्पाइस धमाल चैनल है जहां पे हम रेसिपी सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, ट्रैवल ब्लॉगिंग करते हैं, अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट्स में खाना खा के शेयर करते हैं। रिसेंटली वी डिड अ फंटास्टिक ट्रिप टू नॉर्थ गोवा एंड वी हैड लॉट ऑफ फन। सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक ऑल दोस ब्लॉग्स अबाउट गोवा, द गुड cafes, the restaurant, the beaches in North Goa. So that all you will find on channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you press that red button to subscribe, like our videos, and grow this foodie community. So today we are back again in kitchen and we want to show you some simple chicken recipe. It's going to be a chicken starter and we will call this pan fried garlic chicken. So very simple recipe, ekdam fatafat. Let me show you what all ingredients you need for it. So friends, I got around 300 grams of chicken breast. इसको हमने लंबे से टुकड़ों में काट लिया है. Let us add some mix herb to it. These are dried mix herb, easily available. So वो डाला है हमने. Some apple cider vinegar, some salt to taste, and some mustard paste we are adding to it. If you don't find mustard paste, you can just grind some mustard or rice seeds and you can use that powder as well. So give it a quick mix and keep this aside for around 10 minutes. So that will give a delicious flavor to our chicken. By the time the chicken is marinating, now let us make the mixture of sauces which will add to this chicken. So now we are going to make a sauce mix for this chicken. I am starting with some brown sugar. You can use regular sugar, but this sugar gives a nice taste. Little bit of water to dissolve it, some soya sauce and some ketchup. Now the exact measurements of the ingredients are there in the description box, so you can find the full recipe there. Now give this a quick mix so that everything gets dissolved nicely. Now depending on the spice level you like, you will add a black pepper to this. So I am adding here good generous amount of freshly crushed black pepper. Now keep this mixture ready and then we will move to the hob and keep a pan to heat up. So a pan is hot, we have added little bit of oil, so we will be using a lot of butter in this recipe. So butter and garlic chicken is an excellent combination. Now let that be smoking hot and we will add our chicken pieces to it. So we have to sear our chicken pieces first and then add the rest of the ingredients. So अच्छे से chicken को हम अभी fry कर लेते हैं. Give it a quick stir. So pan should be this hot. The chicken should get nice sear and a smoky flavor like this. Once it is cooked on this side, we'll just quickly turn it over. Now it's time to build the sauce. So first thing which goes in is some butter. A generous amount of butter I'm adding. Let the butter melt. To which we will add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic. The garlic has to cook in butter a little bit. You don't have to brown it, just has to sweat a bit. Then add some chili flakes. Now chili flakes is as per how much heat you want. I have added around a tablespoon. Give everything a good mix. Wow, that aroma of butter and garlic herbs together is simply delicious. So बढ़िया से इस चिकन को फ्राई करने के बाद में गार्लिक डाला है हमने. Let us add that sauce mixture. And give it a good mix and let it chicken cook and the sauce thickens. Now this will take around 3 to 4 minutes. By the time the chicken strips will also get cooked. Now it's time to add some spring onions. So this is the white part of spring onions. We will cook it along with the sauce. So our chicken is cooked for 3 to 4 minutes and you see the sauce has become nice and coating. एकदम बढ़िया yummy sauce बना है. So the combination of sugar, ketchup, soya sauce, it gives all flavors. तो उसमें थोड़ा मीठा भी है, थोड़ा खट्टा भी है, spicy भी है, and this garlic chicken becomes very tasty. तो ये अभी थोड़ा सा ब्लैक पेपर डाला है हमने, salt टेस्ट किया है, and let us garnish it with some spring onion greens, and your chicken is ready to serve. Delicious, very easy. So friends, look at that delicious and buttery pan fried garlic chicken. Let us taste it. Friend, that was very delicious garlic chicken. We simply pan fried it, and the sweetness from sauces and garlic makes it absolutely tasty and an easy dish. So आपको ये अगर वीडियो पसंद आया है तो मेक श्योर आप थंब आइकॉन दबाएं, रेड बटन दबा के सब्सक्राइब करें इस चैनल को, so you can always get notifications on all our recipes. And until we meet again with fantastic recipes or excellent reviews of restaurants and resorts, stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy cooking and keep traveling.